guys, in this video I tell you make a piggy banker of airplane. Project you need one plastic bottle, paints and brushes, one carton tube, a cutter, and a great creative and imagination. The first step is clean the bottle. The second step is make a graph in the bottle. Then cut the cardboard tube in half, in this way. Third step, paint the bottle this way. It should look this is. Fourth step, on a piece of cardboard or whatever you want will, draw and cut out the back of the plane. And fifth step, we will glue a the piece of follows. And this is the final result. Remember the creation of these piggy banks help to reuse plastic bottles, and final employment will be generated with a massive production of this.